As we embark on a journey through the latest updates and news surrounding the 2025 Yutong T12, it's essential to recognize Yutong's significant strides in the global bus industry. In 2024, Yutong Bus achieved remarkable growth, with passenger coach sales reaching 46,918 units, a year-on-year increase of 28.48%. This surge underscores Yutong's commitment to innovation and excellence in bus manufacturing. Site Turn 0 Search 0. The Yutong T12 stands as a testament to the company's dedication to luxury and performance in the coach segment. Designed to offer an unparalleled travel experience, the T12 boasts a sleek exterior complemented by a meticulously crafted interior. Passengers are treated to spacious seating, ambient lighting, and state-of-the-art amenities, ensuring comfort on every journey. In 2024, Yutong expanded its international footprint by launching its dual-mode transmission (DMT) hybrid system in markets such as Mexico, Kazakhstan, and Mongolia. This innovation, along with the introduction of the new C-Series coaches and the Van 6, highlights Yutong's commitment to sustainable transportation solutions. Site Turn 0 Search 0. The T12 is equipped with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning systems, and electronic stability control. These technologies not only enhance passenger safety but also provide drivers with greater control and confidence on the road. Yutong's global strategy emphasizes local engagement. By 2024, the company had established 16 localized production facilities worldwide, including its first new energy KD kit factory in Qatar. This approach ensures that vehicles like the T12 are tailored to meet the specific needs of diverse markets, reflecting Yutong's adaptability and customer-centric philosophy. Site Turn 0 Search 0. The T12's performance is further enhanced by its efficient powertrain, designed to deliver robust power while maintaining fuel efficiency. This balance ensures that operators benefit from reduced operational costs without compromising on performance. Yutong's commitment to sustainability is evident in its advancements in electric bus technology. The company has made significant progress in the electric public transport sector, with its pure electric buses successfully tested in extreme cold weather conditions in Norway and Kazakhstan. Notably, a Yutong electric bus achieved a driving range of 374 kilometers in temperatures as low as -25 degrees Celsius in Kazakhstan, showcasing the reliability and durability of Yutong's electric buses in challenging environments. Site Turn 0 Search 9. The T12's interior is thoughtfully designed to cater to both passengers and operators. Features such as ergonomic seating, ample storage, and intuitive controls ensure a comfortable and convenient experience for all. Yutong's influence extends across various regions. In Europe, the company has developed high-end E-Series city buses and T-Series coaches, earning the trust of numerous coach operators.